Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 Silver Metallic Ford Transit Connect with our Mini T conversion. As always, on the roof you find solar, over-the-air antenna, and a max air fan. The over-the-air antenna allows you to scan and get what channels you can get where you're camped for free. The max fan is reversible and can be used when it's raining. In the back you find a hitch. Works great for a cargo carrier or a bike rack. 2,000 pound towing capacity. There's also a shore power plug. Our conversion comes with a kit which includes the shore power cord, skeeter beaters, which are magnetic screens for 2 windows, propane or butane stove, foldable portable toilet. Inside you have dual house batteries, 2,000 watt inverter, TV DVD player, microwave that can be used even if you're not on shore power, sink, table, shelving, LED lighting, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, vinyl flooring, 2 sets of curtains for privacy. One is cloth, one is the WeatherTech sunshades. This vehicle also has the mid-vehicle overhead storage. The windows in the back are tinted so you can see out but not in. It's a couch that folds into a 43 by 72 inch bed. There's a foldable portable toilet underneath the couch. Also some storage containers. It's now in the bed position. This Transit Connect comes with a lift gate. You could also add the optional crossbars and awning. Hand pump faucet on the sink. Fresh water and gray water underneath. Check out the full details, www.dlm-distribution.com. We're always happy to talk to our customers. 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!